Let me explain how to use data analysis site. URL is 10.150.97.46, or you can click an icon on API management site. There is a database icon, the right top side. Just click it, then you can get there. Or inside of API management site, on the left hand side menu, there is a data analysis link. There is the side menu there. If you click that, you can get there as well. Once you logged in, there are two different types of analysis provided by the site. One is an APL and the other one is transaction. Let me start with APL first. The file that the site is using is the daily generated API file from API management site. You can download it from API management site from the side menu. So right here, APL download, like this. Or you can simply click here, then it's gonna be automatically downloaded. Once the file is obtained, then click browse, and grab the file and hit upload. Then the file has been uploaded successfully and the file is listed on top here. And notice the button is generate other than view. Once the file is processed, then the button becomes change it to view. So hit generate, then you will get a report. Takes about 10 seconds. And this is the report. This is the list of information contained in the report. It counts by the category and counts by category and subcategory, and top 50 brands, and number of the PLU versus UPC, and cost items, and the unit of measure, and the breakdowns. The detail breaks down of unit of measure and the most recent approvals. If you want to see other information from the API data, then just let me know, then I can add that specific information in that report as we are in the future. And for the transactions, the file comes from a SOAR. If you go to SOAR, under reports and query, and click family vendor activity data, and you can download actual transaction file in a CSV format. So click for example, if we download yesterday's data, click download CSV, then Sometimes it'll take, you can download it right away, but in most cases it takes about a few hours. In that case, the SOAR generate the file and put that file under your repository here. Okay, so once that the request is processed, you will get an email from SOAR. Then go here and download the file. Into your computer. So once the file is obtained, again click browse, and this one is February 9th transaction file, and open. It's a daily file, and specify the file type, type information. So 9, and hit upload. Yep, it's successfully uploaded, and it is listed here of February 9th. The same thing is the button is generate, so click generate. Then it will produce a report. And this is the list of information contained in the report. Counts by the category and subcategory, and counts by the counties, and counts by peer group, and top 50 vendors, and top 50 items, and PLU, and counts by the time, and counts by redeemed units, and blah blah blah. And again, you can if you want to see the more information or the types of information from the transaction file, then just let me know, that I can add it later. And if you want to see a report of the combined the files, I mean the multiple files, then you can do that by clicking, checked the data file like this, and then hit the multi-files button. Then it'll combine all those 4 days transaction data combined, and then generate a report. Like this, and the contents of the report is the same as those in the daily transaction or monthly transaction the report. And you can see the combined the report from combined the file is right here in the multi-files tab, so you can see the report again like this. If you want to see actual parts of the file, then you can go to the link and quick transaction search and select the day. So February 9th, and transaction, and this is a you can type any keywords here. For example, the vendor ID. You search, then you can see all that the data row in the file in this table. For example, this vendor has a 526 record in the file, and this is the details. And you can also sort it, by the authorization number and transaction time, and by the amount, something like that. So you can get more detailed information with this feature. Or you can even search within the search result. Okay, search milk, then only 80 records out of 526 records, and you can see like this. And the same thing on the APL side. If you see more information about the APL, for example, if you want to see some more information about some specific UPC, just search it here. Look. Yeah, then you can see the result. Or you can even search over the internet and get the result like this. And you can do a advanced search. Like this. 71 item. So this is the same the feature on the API management site. So I simply moved that feature from there to here. And you can change your the username, and you can change your password here, and you can download the manual. Yep, that's it.